I'm a friendly person.
Oh, I don't think you are very friendly.
Not to you, no. I've been shaking hands with everyone that comes down the trail.
I don't think those weren't handshakes.
This Carmart slapped the phone out of my hand twice, by the way.
Pronounce my name, please, properly.
C-A-R-M-O-N-T.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's video was submitted by Mr. Mike the Hippie. On September 11th, 2020, Mike was parked on his ATV when Officer Robin Carmount of the Minden, Ontario Provincial Police pulled his ATV up and blocked Mike's path. The officer then accused him of chopping down trees and threatening hikers. Mike claims not to know anything about what the officer is referring to, but handed the officer his papers upon request. At that point, the officer began to write Mike a ticket for having an unreadable plate. And that is where Mike began recording.
Officer says he's gonna write me a ticket because he can't read my plate. I don't know, it's pretty readable to me.
We just cleaned the mud off it, right?
Who the f do you think you are?
Stick a phone in my face.
That's illegal, bro. You just smelled.
You don't put a phone in
my
my
property.
face.
I'm recording you. Fuck you.
You stuck that right
Fuck you. Fuck you. You don't like my attitude. Slap it again.
Get out of my face.
Slap it again. It's not in your face.
Don't put a phone
It's not in your fucking face.
Do you want to?
Fuck you.
Do you want to be arrested?
Check my shit. Get out of my face.
Look.
You slapped my phone twice.
Look up cause disturbance.
Destroy my property. Fuck you.
You do not stick.
It's
a phone in my
damaged.
face. You
you.
videotape me? That's fine.
Record
do
it.
not stick it in my face.
Bud, get my shit back
Right?
and fuck out of my face.
When I'm finished, I will.
Hurry the fuck up.
All right?
You're doing this on purpose. Get me rattled up.
No, I'm not.
You damaged my
I
phone.
asked for your phone.
Look at it.
License.
Look at it. It's damaged, bro.
Oh, the
It's out of the case.
Do not stick a phone.
It wasn't stuck in your
You
in your
stuck it in
face.
my
It was
face.
by my face.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
It was not.
It's all recorded, you dumb.
It's fine. And you can
Hurry the
record.
fuck up.
Well, sorry, I don't know if I got the right ownership here.
Hurry, shut up. Hurry the fuck up. I'm here stuck with this dumb Carmount, whatever the fuck his name is. C-A-R-M-O-N-T. O-P-P. Waste my time, check my license insurance.
So
Legal.
So you don't know who's blocking the
He
road
just
off
finished
there.
slapping the phone out of my hand twice. I'm done talking to you. Check my shit.
Do up your helmet.
I'm done talking to you. Check my shit. Hurry the fuck up. Almost killed me in 2013 and proceeded to fucking harass me for years. You got it. You got it.
Date of birth.
You got it.
Is that you? Okay. Well, you know that when you drive an ATV on the road, you have to have a driver's license.
Insurance, which I have.
And what else?
Insurance, which I have.
Ownership.
Which you have.
Yeah.
And the ownership, which you have.
And you have to wear a proper helmet.
And which I have on.
Okay.
Jesus, fuck. I don't need your fucking directives. Just check my shit and get the fuck on. And he's here accusing me of dropping trees on the trail as well.
Actually, I'm here to investigate a matter that you confronted some ATVers on the weekend and threatened them.
You're full of shit.
Well, I'm just following
It's
up
all
the
on
matter.
trail cam.
It's all
it would all be on trail cam.
So
You're
it's all-
full of shit.
So it's all made up then.
Well, it'd be recorded, so we'll find out.
On Saturday at 1 o'clock.
I don't know. I come out to see every ATV. I say, hi, how you doing?
Why is that?
Because I'm right there. Why the fuck not? I'm a friendly person.
Oh, I don't think you are very friendly.
Not to you. No, I fucking hate OPP.
Well, of course you do. Actually, they
when they try
said
and
you
take
weren't very
when
friendly
they try
to
and
you.
take my life, yeah, I'm concerned.
Yeah.
I'm not very friendly to you fucks.
They weren't very friendly to, or you weren't very friendly to them the other day.
I've been shaking hands with everyone that comes down the
Oh,
trail.
I don't think those weren't handshakes.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about, but I've been friendly with everybody.
This is one of our guys here. Okay.
They're just wasting my time. I'd like to go, please.
I just got here.
He slapped the phone out of my hand twice. This Carmart slapped the phone out of my hand twice, by the way.
Pronounce my name, please, properly.
C-A-R-M-O-N-T. I don't give a fuck how it's pronounced. Fuck you. Dumb fuck. You can fucking bet my lawyer's hearing about that phone slap.
There you go, sir.
too. Yeah, give my shit.
You have a good day and do up your helmet, okay?
Yeah. I'll do it right up. You gonna wait here till I do?
No, you can go.
You're dumb.
Mike was eventually let go without a ticket, but his phone was damaged and had to be replaced at his own expense. The story was picked up by local news stations, and official complaints were filed, but nearly a year later, nothing has occurred as a result of this officer's actions. It's disgusting enough to know that Mike was detained and accosted, seemingly for no reason, but knowing he was assaulted for recording and that nothing has been done to remedy the situation is a disgrace to the department. As always, let me know what you think the department will do about this incident, and then let me know what they should do.
I was ignorant for Matt Carmack, he's dumb pig.
Kiss your mom with that mouth?
Nah, kiss your mom with that man.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.